Welcome back. A leopard cub was found dead at Dramapur in Navelim on Monday morning. Cub was found dead near piggery of Joaquim da Costa. It is now handed over to the Forest Department. The exact reason of death would be clear only after post-mortem of the cub. 2 years ago, a leopard was caught in the same area.
A leopard cub was found dead in Poishewado, Dramapur, Navelim on Monday. It was found dead near the piggery of Joaquim da Costa. Joaquim alleged that many piglings had gone missing for last many days. We spoke to Joaquim.
Complain भी केल्या complain केली तुम्ही
complain केला
ते येता एच पहिले आणि वाघांनी खाली
त्याच्या पहिले एक दोन आय थिंक तो त्याने एवढे नॅंगेज केली
एच पहिले धरलं
होय तो
आणि असा वाघ होते ना
आणि वाघ आय थिंक
The cub was later handed over to the Forest Department. The Forest Department will conduct post-mortem of the cub and assess the cause of death. 2 years ago, a leopard was caught in the same area. Savio dies for Prudent.
Yuvraj Singh may not be required by Indian cricket team anymore, but the dashing left-hander continues to rule at the IPL auction. The 2011 World Cup hero broke his own IPL auction record of last season when Delhi Daredevils bought the 33-year-old all-rounder for a record 16 crore rupees on Monday. Last year, RCB had bought Yuvraj for 14 crores. Meanwhile, there were no takers for Goan cricketers, including Shadab Jakati, who featured in all IPL editions till now. 67 players were sold in the 2015 IPL auction, including 23 overseas players in Bangalore.
And the I'm actually sleeping. I got some people coming to my house. My friends waking me up and said, "You've been sold for a lot of money." So that's how I got up, saw what's happening.
Well, lovely. Congratulations on that. Looking forward to being at Delhi for your new stint now, your new team.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, best part is playing under Gary Kirsten. I had my best years under him, so hopefully I can repeat that in the coming years for Delhi now.
Prize bid now at 200. At 200 against two Sunrisers now. At 200, now 220. I've got now 220. At 220 bid now. Sold 220. Pravin Kumar will play for the Sunrisers. Hyderabad now at 100. Anybody else now? For Sean Abbott. 100 lakh now. RCB's bid at 100. Do I see any advance? Sold. Here, and I'm asking 20. Asking 20 lakh here to start me, 20. 20 will start me. Who's coming in? Who'll start the bidding here at 20? Is there an opening bid of 20? I see no bids. You're quite sure at 20. But we'll pass that player.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.